You know right, assassin me. Airport and my Moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Yebe yusu akwenye na yabo Ghana police for abaso. Say New Year yewremu yi. Ansa na yebe ra New Year ni mu no. Yate asem from Ghana police. Mema wate ase ana mema mote ase mesanso akambiom. Se ne kwani nyame anim ni new IGP a wabayi. Wama yehu se Ghana ha say nkrofo wo ho a ye de adwuma ne hye o monsa wo mo betumi aye enjum ba ko America ni bi friend Big Sean wo bonjum enjum a wo boy no me ni je ho pa na enjum no title no one man can change the world. One man can change the world. Na utie sa enjum na trese nipa ba ko ebetumi asesa wiase. Nipa ba ko no wo ye na adwuma ye no wo bi hweso na nipa ko ne sua na ono so ye adwuma yie saa obon se nipa ba ko pe a ye de na si ho adwuma yie a wo ye a wo ye na adwen se wo no de wo be bibia pepepe no ebe ma wiase no asesa eno bi na ye hu wo police force ni mu IGP
Melodies TV on YouTube.
Na asem ni nina ne se yen yete Ghana ha yete Ghana yi se criminals ewo Ghana ha se no wo network omo dangerous network bi a wo operate intenda obeti yes yakobo we tio yakorobi we for all you know no omo a wo kobo nkrofo tio robi omo kra no wo masters and masters na show mo say monko ha monko yese esemu a every police for however and say most dangerous criminal networks in Ghana have been dismantled. That is say our network see criminal see e wudifo yi ya dismantle omo. Na yanko read this story no we my joy online in some wa mo editor ja. Also the director of public affairs of the Ghana Police Service ACP Kwesi Ofori has disclosed that the service through intelligence-led operations has dismantled the most dangerous criminal networks in the country. He added that through the deployment of special anti-robbery squads in the various regions, armed robbers have been nipped in the bud. ACP Kwesi Ofori credited these feats achieved to the hard work of the current Inspector General of Police, IGP Dr. George Ekufudampare. Also, robberies in this country have been nipped in the bud.
Melodies
Talking
TV
about
on
the
YouTube.
Bono East, the northern corridor that leads to the 5 northern regions and Afram Plains area where robbers attack market women and so forth. From 2 years ago, every single day, na Melodies made the bremo. Jedifo awo moko didwa. Ubonse yakwa ko shi omo okwan so na ya robi omo. Yakwa ko shi omo okwan so na ya robi omo. In fact, as early as last year, Debia bete armed robbers. In fact, earlier this year, that time no, na IGP Dampare nyam bete na so, na robbery cases no, na ye too much. Sisi ano, obedi mi adanse ye, se akofom, na nini name no, Dampare will make statements. I say we have been able to send special anti-robbery squads to assist the various regions, and this formula has really worked. It has created desirable security in the aforementioned areas, and we have been able to dismantle most of the dangerous criminal networks through public cooperation, intelligence-led operations, among others. It is our hope that come 2022, the police may move to another level. As someone, a year ACP Kwesi Ofori work no. According to ACP Kwesi Ofori, the current IGP has changed the negative impression about the service. It's therefore tell me if it is a lie. Say Kwesi fori asɛm a wɔka so ɔboa mon kan kyerɛ me. Is it not a fact? Say IGP we a waba no. Gradually, he's changing the face of Ghana police. Is it not a fact? Me boa mon kan. Wo hwɛ ade a wɔyɛ ɔbaaye stakeholder meeting. Da ben e wa Ghana ha say. Ɛna we hu ne say police ato nsa afrɛ stakeholders. Afrɛ nsɔfo. Police ato nsa afrɛ entertainers. Ato nsa afrɛ nkuokuo bebree. Ye to nsa afrɛ drivers ne nyama nyina. Ye ne omo twetwe nkomo ye kyerɛ omo sɛ asɛm wei munye sei police de betumi aya abo amo ɛkyerɛ me Ghana ha sei. Because obi betena so a ohun ne sɛ master me de me ye boss me ko to nsa afrɛ hwan. De krɛ na ɛyɛ me de sɛ
Melodies TV on YouTube.
No ɛyɛ me de sɛ ɛkɔ so because wo twa sabi ato hɔ. O twa sabi ato hɔ. Ama echirimba akwa yes a blueprint into obi ba obehu ne said the dampare here no. Tell me Ghana has say but the last 10 IGPs yenya ewo Ghana ha. The last 10 IGPs yenya ewo Ghana ha. Ode bomudin. Na obomudin wi a what do you remember them for? It's a simple question. IGPs yenya wo Ghana ha. The last 10 say bedrua the last 10 police mpanyifo ayenya wo Ghana ha na trem say asomesi wono no baaye wo ma we si ye but obodam paridin a say next 10 years next 20 years kra na bia dampare sebe e bia wonte ase and next 50 years kra na bia dampare wonte ase a next 10 years ni we ne de I mean ye bompa still wo be wonkwa ba yemfa ne say ye nyina ye tie yen e bia next 50 next 100 years next 60 years ni ni ho a dampare still ye be kan no say NDC for ba and a new political party ba na due to politics inti wo mo ka so dampare e bia emra yen yete so no he went after ye MPB inti ye pese yi no free so a I mean enu bi na MPB for ba ya wo mo ko ye friend saying the ochi kwa akesi tu mu Commander 1 Kofi Boachi say NDC time na Kofi Boachi na no commander we on regional police commander or Ashanti region obomodin oboedwuma ye na enya asem ketwa but say sa time no esan say NDC was so nti wo oboedwuma nti e ko affect MPP fo bi nti MPP fo ba ya no mu yi ni free ho ngrofo complain ye nti we so IGP dampare edwuma wo boyi Ghana for ye hu ne se wo bo edwuma ho ebetumi aba ne se NDC fo ba wo meka se wo edwuma na wo ye no e affect NDC fo ni bi nti omo nso ebe manako it can happen but say esi ni e madam pare kokra na still Ghana fo bebo ni dimpa in fact me sure say that time the Ghana fo kra be so ya man say papa yi ba ye wo bo edwuma ma ye na ye hu ye Ghana ha say IGP ben anyway hu say enwumre wo say oda ne fie no wonam kwan ho boa police for control traffic.
Melodies TV on YouTube.
IGP ben omunna obetena ne aircon na ye wo friends other police ni a wo bodyguard no wo ne fie ene na edwumem okoba unhu ne kra wondi traffic mu na so dan pare no di ne traffic mu na we si what is a police ni ewu baby a sa day na otuka hwim na wakoho. You see all these things are very simple but on the face, right, on the face level sanyama we na no it looks say na say we dey nyahwe but a very big statement dampare won't make it. And then go to police for nankasemu. Now only among kasa and tell me whether they are not happy with the job they are doing. Because you see omo hu ne say ye penyi what is through hono. At least you see our feel ye pain. Say ye wa barrier na ye check cars and na ye control traffic na ye penyi ni to me ba ho a. he feels our pain nti owo bibi ya we feel it. First no gym na meko police for nkwani soldiers for neba gym ho na se me ni omu train wo ho na me ni omu di nkomo a obon se one complain na wo mu complain say impanyifo ne de wo mu te soro hot wo mu air con mu no mu de omu nim de ekoso nti sabe embrafon bia no mu de ato police for ne so. That was one complaint na police for no complaining. Na so ende ukọ na oni police for ne kwakasa sa complain ni hobium because omu hu ne say oni omo na ehe adwuma no oni omo na ehe adwuma no so hu ne say we de ye fili na oni omo ye adwuma no sanso ka tro omo say mabana minimu ye adwuma na ne interest say be mu kodi bone a me de be chamo munye adwuma no professionally. Last na me tie NDC communicator bi ewo radio gold o se den some hajia bi NDC communicator bi na me tie no na otie nsem ana ma me na ka fa dampare ho na o se ne kra na nyame anim ni wono we have an encounter with dampare da before even dampare became IGP no se papa no won oye nipa se that time na NDC imma wo mo eye program bi na dampare na ye obi e wo so wo mo ko hu no that time na onya IGP bo no na e wo se wo mo ko hu no eno mo ko hu ono dampare no na o ka se oh we dey o che se wo hye bibia fine eno o ka tro mo kra ne se me nkrofo no eyomo adwuma mamo fa sika mbe mamo mbe mo obi asika se ye aduane a no problem ye betumi ahwese ne a aduane ye be na ya mo but mesre mo omo adwuma ne se mo ye program be ba be gade mo o se dampare ma police for no eye professional ma NDC for program no e ko smooth. Look at the former IGP. Me mpesa mebo ni dimbo ne ba ye na ye hu ye fix the country for demonstration ba kwa wo mo ka se wo mo beko ye na ye hu the former IGP ne ye near the tankers akwa akogina baby a fix the country for so wo mo beko demonstration no ase de ye kɔ wo dampare nya ba ya hwede oyeye omo kwan freedom mamu nsuro o ye be mamu na we de na se we anya boni bia ye be ga democrat fix the country for ni wie ye wo mo bona ba so se IGPA papa intermediate maka se dampare NDC for ba no mususu se dampare ye ni wunye adwuma ye two efi ade so kra na still his name will live on because enamaka no the last 10 IGPs ayenya wo Ghana bo obi din na trem ni pakro no adepotin a ye de be kan no me ameti he menkai minim internet here for the all no no untrem mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo me da ase.